if we move to Canada?
감사합니다. 그냥 돈가스 먹을래. 아니면 비빔밥? 나왔다. 13,500원. 맛있다. 와, 치즈. 와우, 치즈 미쳤다, 진짜. 와, 와우. 먹으면 좀 살아날 것 같아. 와, 치즈 대박이야. 급식에서 나오던 그 스프야. 급식에서 나오던 스프만. 시간이 쑥쑥 가겠다. 이거 먹고 면세 갔다가 또 그것도 사고 하면 오, 괜찮다. 잘 샀다. 완전 귀여워. 대박. 너무 잘 어울리지 않아? 색감이 생각보다 약간 진하지 않다. 쨍할 줄 알았는데.
He's super famous. No, can we use this?
박서준. 박서준.
I'm trying to speak in Chinese. Yeah, actually. No, because it sounds right. A little bit. Okay, let me think. Shouji? Shouji? Oh. Can we see that again?
박서준.
Shouji. Shouji. I'll just... Okay, we pass this one and then we talk about another one.
Okay.
And another one, he's also like, he is 40 years age, but
Okay.
he still looks so young.
Yeah.
And he acting like the, oh my god, the animals called fox. The fox has like nine tails.
Okay.
It's like a fairy kind of story about the thing.
I think I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
Is it the drama?
Yeah, it's a drama.
I think I didn't watch this.
You did not watch this
Yeah,
one.
so I don't
It's
know
also
that.
famous. He is really good.
Yeah.
No, not this one. He also acts in the movie, not movie, the drama. It's like a green, blue ocean, and there's what we call the girl with pretty red hair, like a fish tails. It's called
The mermaid?
mermaid. Yeah, there's a girl is mermaid, and then she becomes like can walk, and then she met him. It's also Chen Zhixian acting the girl, and then he is acting the one.
Wait, I think I saw this. I watched it.
Huh? It's getting harder and harder. You know what? I used to across 30 minutes. Yeah, we're getting. We're getting. Yeah. 6 hours. 6 hours. 30 minutes. We're getting. We're there.
Oh, I have to find it out. When we landing, I have to find it
Yeah.
out. That's our mission.
Yeah.
We can back it up.
Yeah, I have to search it now. Okay, so what kind of show you're watching?
That is the biggest one. Because I don't really watch Korean drama.
Okay.
I know some actors, but I don't really watch Korean drama, so that's why.
Another famous one is called Li Ai. Li Ai. Her name is Li Ai, and she's also probably like 45 to 50 years old. She's the first girl that people say that she looks natural and nice. There's the drama is like about 100 episodes, more than 100 episodes. Maybe her, the key gets sick, and then she's doing the cooking, and she knows how to cook with the delicious. Plus, also add some medical in there, like a very traditional one to heal up your body. And then she gets like paid by other people jealous about her, so they try to get trouble of her, but she's still going like better and become like a position in
Okay.
the palace. That was really old drama. It's the first drama I saw. Korean drama.
No, she's not like 40 or 50. Maybe. Because they look so young, so I don't know. I don't know her
Your mom
age.
knows. Ask your mom.
Huh?
Ask your mom. Your mama knows that drama. It's like a cooking drama. It's like a really long drama.
Cooking drama?
Yeah.
No, she doesn't know. 무슨 요리하는 드라마? 엄청 오래된 건가? 엄청 오래된 거. 아리랑 노래 부르는
아리랑.
장금이.
Oh yeah. 다정지.
대장금.
Yeah, 다정지. Yes, right.
그 누구 나오지? 이영애? 아,
이영애. We call her Lina. And then that drama we call it 다정지. 다정지. Yeah. It's a really long. Got it. Yeah, finally. It's called 继承者们. The drama name is called 继承者们.
记者什么？
继承者. Yeah.
郑守央。
No. But he's one of the person I mentioned. Who else? Well, let me see. What is this one? Not this one.
This is 한빈.
Oh yeah.
Crush landing.
Yeah. This is the one I watched.
김수현. Same
Same person.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like him. But but it's not the one that I'm. Oh, this is the one I mentioned for like a fox with the nine tails.
이동우. Don't rob.
What? What is the second word? 이동旭. 이동旭.
Yeah. 이동우.
Him. He's like handsome. He never looks like an Asian.
Yeah.
Yeah, he always handsome.
This one, like princess one. This one? No, this one. 이거 누구 걸로 돼? 내 이름이다, 다행이다. It's under my name. 저기 서 있는 애? 핸드폰 하는 거? 이거 같은데? bar! Barbara!
I was not playing.
Wow.
Good to see you. Whoa, so much love.
I told you. There are lots of ramen here, and these are kimchi.
Wow.
This all.
Okay.
And remember this bibimbap I was craving for?
Okay. I don't even know if I. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Or seaweed. What are we gonna make? Kimbap or something?
Maybe. Oh, this is not for kimbap.
Mm.
Smell it?
Yeah. Wait, should I just open it?
Yeah. And she wrapped it a lot.
Wow. Oh, I remember this when I was in Korea. You
Yeah.
guys gave me some of
Yeah.
this. Oh, I really like this
Mom made it.
one. Yeah. Oh, I like this one. This one is okay. Not that one.
Yeah, not anchovy.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, this is for kimchi.
Yeah.
Look, there's kimchi.
Nice.
We have more fresh kimchi from grandma.
Show it.
Thank you. How many